Good morning, guys. You can see I just woke up. See my eyes. Welcome back to the channel. Is yet another video in the live Forex trader, as you all know. So today's going to be very simple. I just have a very simple schedule. Class by 11, like practicals by 11. And that's yes. I'll be back. And the market today is Monday, so no more stuff to be done in the market. Our positions that we had running from last week Thursday was closed today, and I'll show you guys the trades, the profits, and the withdrawal as well that was made in the account. So I made a withdrawal of $1,000 from that trade, as you can see in the title of this video. So I'll just get to the chart and show you guys what I am like really seeing, or what happened in general in the charts, right? So I'll see you guys. So guys, this is not going to be the regular day in the live video. As you can see, I am in my brother's place already, so the equipment and everything are not going to be, the video is not going to be like same, so I'm trying to improvise. So right, let's just get straight to it. As I said, Euro USD 140 pips made on the trade, right? And it was given in the group, right? You can go back in the group, you can see the Euro USD trade that was given in the group, sold here. Everybody is in trade opportunity, tanking down. And I also told you guys something, yes, and I made a withdrawal of $1,000 from the account, from an account that I traded this position as well, right? This morning, today is Monday. I made a withdrawal this morning, and yeah, so I'll be telling you guys what I saw in this trade and why I entered that trade opportunity, right? Why I entered that trade opportunity. And it's not hard, it's very simple. It's very simple. Right now, we'll just go to the top down analysis, down to the daily time frame, and we just get, or weekly time frame rather, from the weekly time frame to the small time frames, or the smaller time frame. So now on the weekly time frame, you can see that price has been approaching, creating higher highs and creating higher lows, and we got here and we took out this high here that we're expecting to be respected, but price broke it. And where were we looking for, where were we going to be looking for the next reversal or the next retracement area? That was the question. Now we found an answer to that question, and that area was here. This whole area here, you can see price used it as what, tried using it as a support area, flushed through it, then tagged in as what, a resistance. I used it as a resistance, then we have the flush through. Now price came back to that area. I've just known that okay, we're going to be expecting a position from this area. We're going to be expecting a position from that area, yeah, from that area. Now on the daily time frame, what I did was that I made sure that I just jump to the trade as it just came to that POI. I had to wait for other confirmations, right? Now on the daily time frame, I waited how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4 days to see the reactions on the price on that POI, and there was something interesting that happened. A high here was created. You can see the high that was created. Market did not come close to that high. Market respected that high. Market kept on trading below that high. Now if you move down to the smaller time frames, like 2 hours time frame, you will see the lower lows and lower highs region that was created around, that's the lower low and lower high market structure that was created, right? Now from this area now I call this my king eye, because this was the high that was created that market didn't even come close to, right? But if market takes out this high, then I have to be looking for another king high and everything. So on the 2 hour time frame, what did I look for? I looked for a supply area that I could just like take trades from in my POI. So now this trade had up to 4 conferences before I entered this trade, entered the position, right? So now markets flushed through down, created a supply and flushed through down again. And what I did was, from this supply area that was created, I took my feet back to this area, that's that low, right? And you can see that was the region of 618 and 0.7 78.6%, 78.6% retracement area, as you can see there, right? And good, notice something here in the market. I told you that market the trade was creating lower lows. Market was really creating lower lows and lower highs already. You can see it's following the trend line: lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. This low now couldn't take out this high, so we're staying down. Right now, that was on Thursday, and on Thursday I think the news release was out, and it was very positive for the dollar. So it aided our position. So after that, we had our entry after this close of this 3 pin bar formation here. Then we had our stop. Just strictly around 30 pips area. Then had our target to this area here. So this area here, I think the close of this candle here. Yeah, the close of this candle. That's where we had our TP, a very nice, like up to 1 to 5 weeks to reward ratio. But you know one thing, once it's up to 1 to 3, we take a lot of positions, we take a lot of partials from this kind of positions, because man, this is a lot. So we close this position with around 140 pips target from here to here, about with 148 pips target. That was what we closed the position with, right? And before we took that position, also we took the volume the fixed volume profile, marked it from that area to the king area, it is the king high area, and we saw that area that we were looking to sell was also our POC, point of control, another added confidence to our trade, right? So there were a lot of confidences to this trade, and mind you, we're just trying to take a retracement of the large impulse, or the large momentum to the upside that has been created before. So that's how we entered this position, and it was a very, 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 very nice position. It was a very, very nice position. Now, if you want to know how I trade, if you want to learn more on how I trade and how I manage this kind of trade opportunities, you can join my Discord community. Link will be dropped down below, so just check the link down below if you want to join join my community and you want to know how I trade. Right, this trade was you could see everyone eating and everything. So also we are also in a trade USD card. We talk about this trade opportunity. USD card is like kind of stubborn right now. We're still in the long position we're still holding our long position, but we don't have anything to even lose. Euro USD has already closed in a very nice profit, so we can hold USD card to the moon. We're going to hold the USD card to the moon. We know it's still going to go up, so we're just holding it to the moon. News coming out by 1:30, and hopefully we have this drive to the upside. The reason or the way I entered this trade position is same way I entered, the same analysis and same ideology on how I entered Euro USD. So currently I just have one current trade running, Euro USD card. Yes, this is a trade running. I gave it free in the group. Yeah, it's a free signal, so everybody's in trade and everything. So I'll catch you guys now in the next, and that was the trade, and that's how I made that amount of money and took a withdrawal from it. Off to school, and I'm very late already, so catch you guys. So guys, I don't know why it's dark still, but I got a mad buy by 3 p.m. and I'm going to play some. This is just my vlog.